This is my home and I'm going to show you how to cook some fantastic home cooking dish. You will love it. Yes, let's do it. Hi lovely people of YouTube. I'm in my house and today I'm going to show you how to cook a fantastic dish in a slow cooking dish. Because you can cook at home and not in a restaurant. I'm at home, so let's enjoy, be so relaxed to cook. And the first dish I'm going to show you how to do it is called a Genovese. 1 carrot, nice and peeled. That's all you need. The carrots also give it that sweetness. And the carrots, also very fine. Celery, just a little cut here. Break it. Try to pull it, all those fiber out. If I do this way, it won't go all over the place. Use very good olive oil inside here. Carrots, celery, onion. Oh, look at this beautiful. Salt, pepper. It's about half a glass of wine inside. If you want to put more wine, just put wine. White wine, it is very important. It's not cooking wine, it is the wine you're drinking when you actually drink the dish. This is what you have to cook. You can use any kind of a cut of meat, but braised steak will be so good to do it because it's slow cooked. With the help of your hammer or with the help of a meat basher, which I don't have a meat basher. The house got everything except the meat basher. Bash them a little bit. Just a little salt. Peppers, on every single one. Garlic. It's about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna crush it. Let's slice the garlic. Let's put them on the stick now, just a few at a time. Now also we need to put some parmesan, just enough. On top. Let's roll it out. There's one. Press it. Skewers. Just have to skew. You almost feel like you have to saw it. Next one goes around. One by one, actually 2. I'm going to put a 3 in my hands. I'm going to put a 4. I'm going to put all in my hands. Okay? Just put them in. And let the baby cook very, very, very slowly for about 2 hours. Two hours and go by, look. Look, the water is boiling and he put some salt inside. 7 to 10 grams for each liter. Lovely penne. 100 grams of pasta. I need a pot. Which one? Just right. Little sauce. Let's put it back. Let it come out on cooking. And this is slow cooked ragu alla genovese. Please do cook at home, take your time, relax and enjoy. If you want to see me cooking more these fantastic delicious dishes, don't forget YouTube, subscribe, it is free, and let's enjoy it together. Do you know what? I'm going to sit down now.